time I've moved all the boxes around. One is right there, and the treat is hidden over here in this box, in the bottom box, which has a few holes in the top of it. So we'll see how he does with that one. He gets more excited every time. He gets even faster at coming out of this room, and I have to put a curtain up because he peeks. Here we go. Are you ready? There he is. Come on, find it. See if he stays on it. He did stay on it. Excellent. I think he got it. Yes. Good boy. I think he got it. Yes, he did. Yes. Excellent there.